Ontario, Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. 4:30 in the morning. Just gonna head over to the store here. As you can see, we've got some snow happening. We've got some extremely high winds here, gusting to about 43 kilometers. And when that happens, of course, it's a whiteout. So the snow just started here not that long ago, and like I say, the temperature is minus 4, -8 with the wind chill. And of course, we've got some snow and blowing snow taking place here this morning here in Thunder Bay. So Cormac is here, my grocery order. So he'll be in here right at 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna do some paperwork up, finish my paperwork here before he brings the order in. And it's gonna be another day. So stay safe, folks. Take care of each other. And remember, watch out for the other person, because the other person may not be watching out for you. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario, Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT 73, folks.